Hi, my name is Austin Dunning. I'm Buff the Bison, Harding's mascot. This is the first time I've actually been in a magazine. I mean, I've been shown on TV for a newsreel or something like that, or a YouTube video. This is like a magazine cover. Yes, I'm on the cover of a magazine. The photographing part went okay, but I was a little bit out of my element where I'm always constantly moving, and like if there's a touchdown, I'll do a touchdown sign, or if there's a three-point shot, I'll do, three. And yes, you can do that standing still for a pose, for doing say 350 pictures in one day. You're running out of things to do. I mean, I'm just not used to standing still that long. It's actually hard work, posing as a mascot for a magazine than actually mascotting a game. I'm happy the way it turned out. That's another thing about like being a professional mascot for a sports team is I see teams visit like children's hospitals. They make them feel special. But like I did a Special Olympics for the first time, and to say that, good job for them, that they accomplished something, that it was their Special Olympics for their special moment. So I'm happy about that. I never want to say, I want to grow up to be a fireman, a doctor, find a cure for cancer, but how I wanted to be a mascot, it was something different. I've thought about different things, but I've always had that mascot as if I could have one job for the rest of my life.